Hello, I am Naresh. In this video, I will start the discussion on Jira Service Management product. So to start our discussion, I will create a new project. So to create a new project, you just click on Projects tab available on the header. So here you are having a button to create a project. Click on Create Project. So here you can see several project templates are available. So from these templates, you can choose a service management project template, but it is very hard to choose. So that's why you can select a product which is available under product section. So you can see this is a Jira Service Management product. If you click here, Jira Service Management templates will be available to you. So by clicking these arrows, you can see what are the features available in that template. So if I click here, I can see these are all the service request types which are available, and you can see the recommendation given by the Atlassian. Actually, this template is not suitable for my need, so I am closing this. Actually, these are having several request types. I don't want any one of these. So if I choose this, I need to delete all these and I need to create new template, new request types. Therefore, I don't choose this and let me click this. So here, this template has three request types, and this has a to do, pending, in progress, done as the statuses in the workflow. This template looks simple, and I can use this template later on. If I want, I can change the template according to my wish easily. Therefore, I am choosing this template, and let me name the project Atlassian request. So actually, my intention is I am creating this project for our internal teams. So those internal teams uses Atlassian product, you know. So if they want any change in the Atlassian products, or if they feel the bug has raised in Atlassian product, or if they want to create a new Jira project, okay. So like that, they want to communicate with the Jira administrator. So for that, I am creating this project. Okay. So this project is the uh, is used to raise requests related to Atlassian products. Therefore, I named this as Atlassian request. Simple. Let me create project. So very soon we are going to have a Jira Service Management project. Yes, boom. So this is our Jira Service Management project. Actually, this user interface, what now we are seeing is exclusively for agents only. Maybe you know that already. So agents are the people who work on the request raised by the customer. Okay. So here the customer is nothing but our internal teams. So they will raise request to Jira admin to configure Jira products. So therefore, particularly this user interface is only for agents who are working on the requests. Okay. Let me quickly go to project settings. So here I'll show you the customer view of the project. Therefore, I have come to the project settings, and you can see portal settings here. So this is the link for portal URL. So let me open that for you quickly. So this is the customer view. This is like website, web portal, right? So this is exactly like web portal. There is nothing much here. Okay. So you can see that there are two request types are available right now. So this is one request, this is second request type. So actually these are not, relates to our project. Therefore, I am going to delete these two request types right now. So for that, you need to go to request types. See here, this is the request type. Ask a question, submit a request, or incident. I don't want this on my portal. Okay, these request type are not related to our project. Therefore, you just click on these three dots. Here you can choose edit portal groups. You just uncheck this. Actually, this is a portal group. I will show you what is the use of this portal group. Okay, very soon. Let me uncheck this and save this. Thereby, what happens here? Ask a question now, hidden from portal. Okay, so if you uncheck a group, what happens? That request type has been hidden from the portal. So now let me hide this. Just click on this, click on edit portal group, click on general, uncheck this. Okay, uncheck this and click on save. Now the two request types are hidden from the portal. If you go to the portal and just refresh the portal, see there is nothing here. I have just hidden the two request types. Now to create a new request type, you can choose this button, create request type. So now I am going to create a new request type for my software project. Okay, so new Jira project. Let me write new Jira project and okay, request. Let me write the description. Request to create a new Jira project for software team. Okay, for software team. Let me. If you want to change the icon, you are of the request. You can change straight away from here. Click on change icon. Suppose it looks attracting. Let me choose this. And here you can choose the request types. Sorry, you can choose the issue type. Actually, this issue type is used to select the workflow and fields. Okay, so actually these issue types are also not looks so good for me. So I need to change these also. So let me stop creating a new request type for now. Let me cancel this. Let me go to summary. Okay, these are not standard issue types which were okay, which are used by our IT support teams. So that's why I'm going to click on issue type scheme and just click on actions, click on edit issue types, and so left side you are seeing the issue types which are currently available on the project. Right side you are seeing the available issue types to select. So let me remove all. I don't want. I just need only subtask service request. Let me choose problem. Let me choose incident. Let me choose uh, change. Yeah, that's it. So this looks standard. So I'm saving this. Okay, summary. Let me go to summary again. So these are all the standard issue types which are currently using by our IT organizations. Okay, for supporting operations. So let me go quickly go to request types again. So I will go and create a new request type. Let me create a new request type. So new Jira project. Okay, this is a request for creating a new Jira project for software team. Software team. Okay, so here this is the icon for the request type. If you want you can change. I think this looks good. I am changing this, and here these are all the available request types in the project. So I am selecting service request. Why? Because so new Jira project is a request. In fact, this is not like an incident or this is not like a change. So this is a request from the customer. Therefore, I think this suits to the service request. And remember that here use workflow and fields from this issue type. Here you are saying to Jira that so please use workflow and fields of the service request type for this new request type. Okay, that's what you are saying by selecting this issue type here. Okay, next. So here I think general is not relates to our use case. Let me create a group here. So this is for Jira software product. So if you click on tick button, new group has been created and it has checked. Let me click on create button. So now the new request type has been created, and if you go to the portal, there you can see the request type. See here, new Jira project. If you click here, so this is the portal view for the customer to raise the request. So now what the customer see? He just see the summary only. and this is the by default feature which is provided by the Jira service management tool. So here you can raise request for yourself, or you can raise request on behalf of someone else. Okay, so just okay, let me quickly go back to Jira instance. So right now you are seeing only summary field. If you want to see description on the portal, simply just drag the field, okay, which is available on the right side. Just drag the field here. Therefore, you can see the description. Sorry, every time I forget to click on the save change button. Actually, this is very, very important, my friends. Okay, after dragging the field, you must click on the save changes button. Otherwise, okay, the field doesn't appear here. So let me refresh again. Yes, boom. See here, the description field is available right now. Now, I think attachment is also required for this issue type. Again, see, let me click on save changes button again. Now you can see the attachment option. See here, attachment. You can browse and select a file from here. Great. Okay. So this is about creating a new request types. Actually, you are not seeing portal group, right? But I will show you very quickly. Let me go back to request types again. So I will create a new request type. Let me create like a new custom field. Okay, if the customer wants to create a new custom field, you just click on this request type. Therefore, I am creating a new custom field request type. Okay, request to create a new custom field. Okay, custom field. So here you can change the icon. I think this looks good. I am changing that. So new custom field is also something like a request. Therefore, I choose a service request and click on next. So let me choose Jira software again. Let me click on create. Okay. So let me go to portal again. If you refresh this, you can see the new request type. So new custom field, new Jira project. So if you click new custom field, only summary is available. Okay, because here we are having only summary, right? So if you want a description on the portal, you just drag the description here. Such a simple thing. And if you want attachment, drag this. And if you want priority also, just drag this and save changes. Don't forget this, my dear friends. Click on save changes and go to the portal and refresh the portal. Boom. See, you can see the summary, description, attachment, priority. Okay, so all fields are available which we have configured on the Jira. Okay, now right now let me quickly go back to request types again. So again, I will create a new new request type. Let me write. Uh, so my dear friends, let me go to the portal again. Let me go back. Yeah. See here again. Here also you are not seeing the portal group. Actually, we have created a portal group, that is Jira software. We are not seeing that portal group here right now. Why? Because I'll show you. Let me create a new request type. This is also new Jira project. But this time I am creating this request type for Jira service management. Request to create a project, okay, for service teams. Okay, like that. So this is also a service request, right? And just change the icon to something like this, save it. Okay, let me go to next. Here, click on create group. Okay, I am choosing, or I am creating this request type especially for Jira Service Management. Therefore, I am creating a new portal group, Jira Service Management. Sorry, let me click on tick button. So new portal group has been created. Just click on create. That's such a simple thing, guys. So let me go to portal again. Let me refresh now. Now the boom. See here, you are seeing the portal groups now. Jira software is a portal group. Jira service management is also a portal group. Till now, you were unable to see the portal group, but now you are seeing. Why? Because Jira service management portal group has been created. That's why the new portal group, okay, has been added. And you are seeing two portal groups. If we click on Jira software portal group, you are see the requests related to Jira software. And if you click on Jira Service Management, you can see the requests which are related to Jira Service Management. Such a simple thing, my dear friends. So here also I am just changing description, I'm changing priority, just I'm changing save changes. I'm clicking on save changes, just go to portal again. You can see that news, you can see all the fields. See here summary, description, priority. Okay, that what we have configured right now. Okay, let me quickly go to request types again. Let me create new request type. So new custom field, new custom field. Okay, so again, this is our service request type, and let's change the icon to this. Save, next. Let me choose Jira Service Management, create. Okay, such a simple thing, my dear friends. So if you want description, just drag it. If you want priority, drag it. If you want label, drag it. If you want attachment, just drag it, my dear friends. And let's save changes. So therefore, okay, this request type is also has been changed. Okay, so let me quickly refresh this. Click on Jira Service Management, click on new custom field. See here, wow, that's great, no? So these are all the attachment, label, priority, description. Great. So let me just click on OK. That's it. Yeah, this is the new portal view, which exactly needed by our Atlassian customers, right? So let me quickly go to Jira instance again. So suppose, let me click on Jira software. Okay. If you want to interchange these positions, what we have to do? Okay. I will conclude the video with this concept. So actually, I need new Jira project first one and a new custom field is the second request type. So what we have to do on the Jira side? Actually, so we cannot do that portion from the request types here. So to do that, we need to go to portal settings available. So here you can just click on portal groups. So if you expand this portal group, you can see that new custom field, new Jira project. You just drag this, okay, like that. Such a simple thing. Wow. See here, just drag this. Wow. That's it, my dear friends. Okay, that's it.